Okay, let's continue. The listening section of test number 7 from official guide, page number 271. In the last video, we finished section 3 of this test number 7 from the official guide, right? From 31 to 40 that we are going to discuss now. So Sandeep, you have attempted them, right? Right. Section 4, there is a clear restriction for, most cases. In case of section 4, this is the standard restriction, that is one word only. And again, the difference you can clearly observe between first 3 sections and section 4 is, what's the difference you can see, Sandeep, between first 3 sections and section 4? Up to section 3, for every 5 to 6 questions you attempt, there will be 20 to 30 seconds to check your answer and to check the set of subsequent questions. But in the beginning of section 4, you can clearly listen an instruction mentioning, please look at the question from 31 to 40, which means examiner is, test maker is expecting you to attempt all the 10 questions, at a time in a single stretch, right? Yes. Yeah. So are you ready with your answers? Yes. Right. As I have always been emphasizing, the audio track you make use of during your practice must be with 1.25 speed, at least 1.1. Let me go with 1.1. Okay, before that, let me check the questions. 13th and 16th centuries, fireworks were introduced from China. Their use was mainly to do with war. And 31 in place and festivals. Maybe I need another noun like war, right? In the 31, I need a noun like war. For the 31st question, I need another noun, right, buddy? Yeah, I'm not asking the answer. Let me, while I listen to the audio, I'll ask your answers. Okay, yeah. 70 various features of dash were shown in fireworks displays. Features of another noun I need. It may be a shape or something were shown in fireworks displays. Scientists were introduced in using ideas from fireworks displays to make human survival possible. I need another noun here. Even 33rd, to make human might be another noun. Of course, that's also noun. Yeah, always noun. To show the formation of another noun again. Formation of a diamond or something. Formation of a noun. Formation of something. Right, scientists were distrustful at first. Later, they investigated dash use of I need vast uses or specific uses. I need an adjective. I need an adjective here. Basically, let's see. It might be they investigated wide range of uses of fireworks or something. I need an adjective basically. Adjective, sometimes adjective plus noun as well. Okay, wide range of uses. Wide is adjective, range is noun, something of that sort. Fireworks was seen as a method of dash for people. Method of praying. Of course, another noun for 36. Method of praying for people. Method of supporting, warning for people. Method of, something of that sort. I need a noun. Displays emphasized the power. Emphasize the power of a king or something. I need a noun again. Scientists aimed to provide support, aimed to provide the warning. Again, noun. 38 also must be filled with noun. Most of them are nouns. Please observe. Italian fireworks specialists became influential. So Servandoni's fireworks display followed the same pattern as a I need an means that must be noun again. A kind of noun, because we have got a article and just before it. The appeal of fireworks extended to the middle classes. Some displays demonstrated new scientist discoveries such as maybe missiles, right? Rockets or something of that sort. Another noun. Most of them are nouns. There is only one blank, 35th, that is 35th blank might require an adjective as an answer. Let's listen to the audio now. We have already worked on the questions and came up with our own guesses. So let me move on. Let it be forwarded a bit. Yes, I got a noun right. So related to religion. So let me write the sentence as a proof line. Religion. For the chief purpose or achieve purpose. Okay, chief purpose, main purpose. Related to was related to religion. This is the phrase which confirms the right word for the 31st blank is religion. Let's move on. Various features of nature. Yes, nature were shown in fireworks displays. I need a noun. Nature is a noun. Let me write the proof line. Aspects of nature. Right? Rocket. To make human rocket possible. 33rd is noun. I need, you may think like dragon possible. You can't say human dragon possible. It can be human rocket possible. Have you got my point? 33rd is I have been searching for a noun for the 33rd blank. I found a dragon and then rocket. Rocket would be best fit. Okay. Model of a dragon. Propelled. Propelled means pushed, drawn. Propelled along the road. by rockets. Rockets or rocket possible, both can work. Next one, to show the formation of, what's that? Oh, instead of rocket, I think flight possible. Okay, human rocket possible. So instead of rocket, flight is giving more sense. So let's change it. To make human flight possible, flying possible. They are able to. Okay, let me write the. Might be able to achieve. Possible. Might be is equals to possible here. Might be able to achieve. Yes, how stars were formed. To show, demonstrate how stars were formed. How stars were formed. So 34th is stars. Formation of stars. Okay. Next. Practical uses. Right? Practical uses only, no? I can go with practical uses. Rockets. No, practical would be best. Purposes is equals to uses here. Sailors, yes. Look at purposes. Look at practical purposes. So I need practical here. Okay. It's a different story at St. Petersburg. Education of the masses. Important element. Education. I must write education here, right? Education of masses. That's also noun, right? Let me write the proof phrase or proof line. Important element. Important element. Element in education of masses. Masses means people. In the education of the masses. This is the phrase based on which I can come up with a word like education for the blank 36. Okay, for the 36th blank. Displays emphasize the power of emphasize means stressing, highlighting, emphasized, stress, highlight sometimes. Supreme authority of the king, right? Supreme authority of the king. That is how king would be better. Scientists provide volcano. I can't go with volcano. Power of volcano displays emphasize the power of supreme authority of king is equal to power of king. No problem. Provide entertainment for the fashionable society. Provide entertainment. So I have to write the proof line. To offer. To offer. To offer entertainment for the fashionable society. Academicians delighting and academicians universal laws of nature. Okay. Okay, patterns. Okay, the fireworks display followed the same pattern as an I need a noun which starts with an vowel sound. Have I missed it? An opera. An opera means, a kind of serial or sequence. Opera. As an opera.
Same way.
That's it. Phenomena of electricity. Curious phenomena of electricity. Right? Curious phenomenon of electricity. Right? Yep. So how many questions have you got correct?
We didn't see answer, but extra related to religion, aspects of nature.
So there is a clear instruction to write one word only, right? But why you have written 2 words or 3 words? So the strategy is clear, coming up with your own word or phrase for the blank. Okay, you should be able to predict what kind of word goes in each of the blanks before you listen to the track. So the prediction, the estimation, the guessing work must be done within 20 to 30 seconds. It requires sufficient practice. You should have practiced this sort of questions enough to get an idea during your real examination, right? Yes. The more you practice the strategy I taught in the class, higher your score improvement eventually when you give the tests. Okay.